In this video, I'll show you how to create a client portal in BASE44. First, sign into your BASE44 account and click Create New App. Once you're inside the app builder, use the prompt box to describe the client portal you want to create. Next, enter a prompt such as, create a client portal where clients can log in, view their projects, upload files, send messages, and track project progress. After that, submit the prompt and wait for BASE44 to generate the first version of the portal. Once the portal is created, review the pages and features that BASE44 generated. Make sure there are sections for client accounts, project information, and file management. Now, continue improving the portal by using the chat panel. Ask BASE44 to add any features you need, such as client dashboards, document uploads, invoices, appointment scheduling, or messaging functionality. Next, if BASE44 requests additional setup steps, simply follow the instructions it provides. Depending on the features you choose, you may be asked to connect external services or configure permissions for your users. After that, ask BASE44 to add authentication so clients can securely log in and access only their own information. Follow any setup instructions that appear and complete the connection process if required. Once everything is configured, test the portal by creating a sample client account. Log in as a client and verify that the correct information, files, and project details are displayed. Now, customize the design of the portal by updating colors, logos, fonts, and branding elements to match your business. Finally, publish the portal and test it one last time. Share the link with your clients and make sure they can access their accounts successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a client portal in BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.